Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here and welcome back to a new video. So recently the people from ESR Gear were really kind enough to send us a couple of cases over for the iPhone 11. And we have the cases on here for a quick unboxing and review. And big shout out to the good people over at ESR Gear. If you want to check out their stuff, I'm going to leave some links below and let's get started. Alright, so we have two cases here for the iPhone 11. We have the ESR glass case and the ESR metal stand case for the iPhone 11. Now, unboxing the cases, they are pretty simple. You just get the box and the case itself. So first off, you have the metal stand case for the iPhone 11. And this case is a clear, transparent TPU case, which means that it's going to be flexible but not too soft. So what makes this case unique is the metal stand on the back. I actually like the metal stand here. Like, I've seen some cases before with little kickstands on the back, but they mostly felt flimsy. But the metal stand on this thing is pretty sturdy. It locks into place safely, but it's not too stiff that it ruins the experience. So yeah, it fits snug on the iPhone 11, which I like. There's just something about TPU cases where if the material used is a lot stiffer, it actually provides better protection, in my opinion, compared to the softer silicone cases out there or the softer TPU cases out there. So I really like this case. It's very minimalist and I kind of like that it shows off the iPhone 11 design. So if you ever drop your phone on the sides or corners, then the TPU material will absorb the impact and will cushion your phone. Of course, it fits snugly on your iPhone, and that's something that I really like about this case. Alright, next up we have the ESR glass case for the iPhone 11. Same as with the TPU case, it comes in a simple box. And of course, you just get the case itself. Now, what makes this case different from the other is the main material that covers the back of your phone is made of a harder, transparent material. It's not TPU, but the sides are made of TPU. So you get this flexible TPU which covers your buttons but leaves your ports exposed so you can still access the charging port, speakers, and the mute switch on your iPhone. And while this doesn't have a kickstand, the main difference is that you get a harder back, which kind of retains the glass look of the iPhone 11's back. And of course, you still get to see that sweet Apple logo. So same with the other case, it fits tight around your iPhone, which is pretty good. So there's no loose openings around there. And of course, there's a bit of a lip. So if you place your phone face down, it's not going to get scratched or it's not going to come in contact with whatever surface you're putting it down on. Yeah, so I really dig these cases. Again, thank you to ESR for sending these over. Now, ESR also has some cases lined up for the upcoming Pixel 4a, the new Galaxy Note phone, and of course the iPhone 12. And if you want to see more of their stuff, I'm going to leave some links down below so you can check those out. Alright, so I do appreciate you guys for checking out this video. And once again, thanks for coming over to the channel and thanks for watching.